Hello friends, in this video we are gonna learn how to change password in your cPanel. Let's go to the video. So this is my cPanel dashboard or interface. If you don't know how to log into cPanel, so you can check my earlier video how to log into cPanel. And this is our cPanel interface, and in here there is a profile of this cPanel. So just click on this icon and you will get an option change password and security. Click on this password and security section. So on this page you will put your old password in here, and in this section you will put your new password. And you can also generate password by automatically password generator. And in this section you will check your password strength. As you can see my password strength is 100 by 100. So now you just click this button change your password now, and then your password will be changed. So after changing the password you will be automatically log out from the cPanel, and you have to give your username and password again. Once I will put my new password in here and just log in. It is absolutely fine. Now I am log in my cPanel with a new password. That's all for today. See you next video.